everybody, and welcome to Lydia SM Time. We are at Starved Rock, which is about 2 hours east of Chicago. Be the easiest way to say it. It's a state park. It's a state park. It's got canyons. It's got trails.
Yeah.
What else? Talk.
I don't know.
Been just hiking for about 2 hours here. You can see in all the, if you've watched this whole video, you'll see everything that we just did. So.
Yeah, just watch my video and we're gonna show you where we are and what they have it here. It's a big place to walk.
And you could walk this thing for hours and hours.
Yes.
And hours. It goes in one big giant loop. So we've been hiking this about 2 hours now. We're starting to head our way back. But you'll see in the clips here, you'll see all the stuff we were at. So it's pretty neat in here.
That's where we were standing.
Yeah, I know.
And I will go there later when Lydia.
This is what they call Starved Rock. Because you can see everywhere is rock.
This only goes to here and that's it.
That's really cool.
There are some nice parts of Illinois in here.
We like to live dangerously.
I'm videoing.
What happened to me?
Skylar, look here. See him?
No, this.
Oh, never mind. Your video.
Uh-huh.
This is actually good weather to be doing this. Then if it was hot a little bit, Kate.
I want to take you in the dog.
Where are they?
Come on, Kate.
Go on.
Yeah.
Oh, just answer, Shania.
Para mo.
Okay, you stay there. Take a seat.
Shania?
You know, highway out there.
Yeah.
I know, that's what I want to video that.
Are you videoing?
Yes. Ouch!
Don't fall, you'll embarrass me.
Let me video. Oh my goodness.
You know, highway out there.
If I drop my phone,
We just hiked all the way up there. Hey, don't, yeah, keep the phone back.
but I want to see that one that down.
What? You're just down. Holy shit. I'm scared. My head's gonna get torn off.
Video.
Look at that how.
Alright, I'm getting scared.
Oh my god.
Just lang my hair. Oh my. This is, looks scary.
It's like all dried out this time.
This isn't the one we're gonna go. We're gonna try for a wildcat canyon. Those are there. Stay away from the edge, right? Give other people space.
Oh,
Those are pretty cool canyon, you guys. Yeah. Oh, I think. Yeah. I have JMO.
On the other side of the lot.
it's a pit bird.
These are Paris's hawks. These are not from this area. These are from the southwest.
That's a red tail?
Large female red tail.
I just seen by our, we're up by Rockford. I think right down the street we have a nest of bald eagles. I just seen them. I was like, oh,
It's about 6 foot across, the nest.
yeah, they're,
Nest for a red tail is only about 3 foot.
I just seen it the other day.
Especially down